trying to find the right fit. So I found this cup from an acorn, and look for them every season. They're on the ground everywhere. This one is special because it has the fit that I need to be able to do this. So I place it right there on the thumb, and I leave a little triangle on the other side like that, and I fit my lips and I blow. I will find it and it will sound beautiful. Should have done some training first. Well, the plane is loud. Okay, I found it. Whew. And when it works beautiful. How do you like that? What are the many gifts of nature? Have a good day.